Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk through how to update your homepage title tag in WordPress quickly, easily, and with zero stress. If you've ever wanted your website to show up better in search results or simply want your homepage title to reflect your brand more accurately, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner. You'll see the login button. Go ahead and click that. This is your entry point to access your website's dashboard, where all the editing magic happens. On the login screen, you'll notice an option that says Continue with Google. Click that to sign in using your Google account. It's secure, fast, and avoids the need to remember another password. If you have multiple Google accounts, make sure you select the one that's linked to your WordPress website. That'll keep everything organized and prevent any confusion later on. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. This is where you can manage everything about your site, from content and pages to design and settings. Now, on the left-hand menu, find and click on Pages. This section contains every page on your website, including your homepage. Scroll through the list until you spot your homepage. It might simply be titled Home or Front Page. When you hover your mouse over the page title, a few options will appear right underneath it. Click on Quick Edit. Quick Edit is a super handy feature because it lets you make small but important changes directly from this list view. No need to open the full page editor. Now you'll see a small panel pop up with different fields you can adjust, including one labeled Slug. This slug defines part of your homepage's title tag, basically how your page name appears in your browser tab and in search results. Take a moment here to update your slug or title tag to something that accurately represents your brand and is optimized for search engines. For example, if your site is about digital marketing, your title could be something like Home Brightpath Digital Marketing. Once you're happy with your new title, scroll down and click the update button. And that's it. WordPress will instantly save your changes, and your homepage title tag will now reflect your update both on your site and in search results. You've just learned how to change your homepage title tag in WordPress using a few simple steps: logging in with Google, navigating to the Pages section, using Quick Edit, and updating your slug. By doing this, you've not only made your website more professional, but also a bit more search engine friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick WordPress and SEO tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.